it's Danielle. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do one of the most popular TikTok trends right now, and it is the 2 to 3s dance. And there are a lot of movements in this dance. It's kind of hard, but you'll get it easily. So first of all, we're just going to dance a little bit for about 3 seconds. These 3 seconds are free, so you can do whatever you want. And then we are going to start by doing 3 times the running man. And if you don't know how to do it, I'm going to stand like this so that you can see. First of all, our right leg is bent and we are standing on our left leg, and then our left leg goes back and our right one steps, so it's like this. And then we're going to lift our left leg and our right leg goes to back, so it's like this. And then we're just going to keep on. First of all, do it slowly and then you'll get it. And you can do it fast if you want to. But right now we're not going to do it too fast. So we're doing 1, 2, and on the third one, what we're going to do is kick our right leg. And we're doing like this. So it's like as if we were saying like stop. And what we're going to do with our hands as we're doing the running man is point forward, then we're going to cross them, and then we're going to do the stop thingy. Let's just call this stop. So we are doing 1, 2, 3. Let's do it once more, but all together. It's 1, 2, 3. After this, what we're going to do is step, as if we were doing the running man again, but we're going to step once more, and we're not going to do it again. Our hands are going in front of us, our arms are bent, and our hands are in fists, like this. Our elbows are going to the side, 1, and then our hands are going down, like this. It's 1, 2. So every time we are like going forward, like as if we were bouncing a little bit. So we're doing 1, 2. And now we are going to cross our arms. So our hands are still in fists, as you can see. And we are doing 1, we just cross our arms, and 2, we uncross them. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it from the beginning, from the running man. We're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are going forward and to the back. So it's very easy. We're just going to do a step with our right leg, and our hand goes like this, like as if we were doing this, but going forward and backwards. So we are standing to the side, as you can see. We're doing 1 and 2. Let's do it from the beginning. We are going 1, 2, 3, 4, side, side, 5, 6, 1, 2. After this, we are gonna turn around, but we're not gonna turn around like, it's not a normal spin. We are gonna kick our legs 2 times while we are spinning. So we're doing 1, 2. Let's do it once more. 1, 2. So it's going to look like this. We're standing like this, hands to the sides. We go side, side, cross, uncross. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's do it from the beginning. We are going forward, side, up, down. 1, 2, cross, cross. 1, 2, 1, 2. So after we have kicked our legs 2 times, we should be like in this position. We are going to do 1 and 2. So to do that, our arms go like this. So first of all, it's like, imagine we are showing something like big. We are doing this, and then we cross our arms and go down. So some people do this and like actually go down, and some people just do this. So you just choose your favorite, and it goes 1 and 2, Like we can go down, we cannot go down. Like I'm just gonna stay here. 1, 2. Now we are gonna kick our right leg and we are also pointing forward. We are gonna kick our right leg, stand on that leg, and our left leg goes to the side like this. So it's 1, 2. Let's start from the beginning, from the running man. We are doing 1, cross, up, down, side, side, cross, cross, 1, 2, kick, kick, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. So we are going to stay in this position, and then our hands are going to go here, and we are going to the side 2 times. We are going 1 and 2. Well, we are actually going to the side 1 time, and then our legs are bent, and we are going up. So it's 1 and 2. Let's do it from here. We do 1 and 2. Let's do it again from the beginning. We are doing forward, cross, up, down, side, side, cross, cross, 1, 2, kick, kick, up and down, and 1 and 2. 1, 2, and now we are going down again, but both our hands are going on our left leg, and our right leg does this. We are going to stand on our heel, and our toe is going to the side like this, and we don't move our body, we just move our leg. We're doing it 1 time. So we do 1 and 2. Let's do it from here. We go. So we're like this. We do 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's very fast, this part. You can look that way when your toes going that way, so you can do this, or you can just go like this. You can do whatever you want. You can move your head or not move it. And after this, we are going to do 1, 2, 3. So our arms are pointing up, our hands are pointing up, and we are just going to bend 1 and straighten 1, and then do the opposite, and then do the opposite again. And while we are doing that, what's happening with our body is that we are going to jump 3 times on our left leg. So the first time our right leg goes behind us, then we are going to twist towards that leg, and then the next time our right leg is going to be bent. So it's like this. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it once more. 1, 2, 3. And the last part is very easy. We're going to do this. So we are going to bounce. We're going to bend our legs 2 times. And with our hands, we're just crossing them, as if we were saying no. And it's 1, 2. That's it, and we are done. Let's do it once more from the beginning, and we are done. So, from the running man, we are going forward, cross, up, down, side, side, cross, cross, 1, 2, kick, kick, up and down, and 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. And we're done. Well, that was it for today's tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and to follow me on my TikTok account. It's right here if you want to follow me. And I hope to see you soon. Bye!